Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a connection problem on the application of Microsoft Teams. You click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Microsoft Teams and you will click here on this page. Then we go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. This page you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.